The Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge is poised to make a significant impact on the smartphone market with its official launch drawing near. Scheduled for 13th May 2025, the unveiling will occur at 9 a.m. Korean Standard Time (KST), which translates to 5:30 a.m. in India Standard Time (IST). For enthusiasts in India, the local launch is set for the same day at 1 p.m. Indian Standard Time, with availability through Amazon India. While the initial release might focus on South Korea and China, a broader global rollout is anticipated, potentially commencing around 21st May. In terms of pricing, leaks from Germany suggest a starting point of €1,249 for the 256GB variant, strategically positioning it between the Galaxy S25 Plus and the top-tier Galaxy S25 Ultra. The design of the Galaxy S25 Edge is a key highlight, with Samsung touting it as their slimmest flagship to date. Rumors indicate a remarkably thin profile of just 5.85mm and a light weight of approximately 163 grams. The construction is expected to be premium, featuring a robust titanium alloy frame, a front protected by the new Gorilla Glass ceramic for enhanced durability, and a Gorilla Glass Victus to back. The display is likely to be a 6.7-inch AMOLED panel with a sharp resolution of 3120x1440 pixels and a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. The design will likely incorporate slim and uniform bezels, along with a centered hole punch cutout for the front-facing camera. For added durability, an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance is expected. Color options are rumored to include sophisticated titanium jet black, titanium icy blue, and titanium silver. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Edge is anticipated to be powered by the cutting-edge Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chipset in most regions, ensuring flagship-level performance. It is expected to come with 12GB of LPDDR5X RAM and offer storage options of 256GB or 512GB, utilizing the fast UFS 4.0 standard. Notably, there will be no microSD card slot for expandable storage. The battery is rumored to be a 3900 mAh unit, supporting 25W wired charging. Additionally, it might feature QI to wireless charging and reverse wireless charging capabilities. The camera system on the Galaxy S25 Edge is another area of significant interest. The rear setup is expected to be a dual-camera configuration, featuring a high-resolution 200MP primary sensor with an f1.7 aperture and optical image stabilization (OIS). This primary sensor might also offer a 2x optical zoom equivalent through in-sensor cropping. The second rear camera is likely a 12MP ultra-wide lens with autofocus and an f2.2 aperture. For selfies and video calls, a 12MP front-facing camera with an f2.2 aperture is anticipated. In terms of video recording, the rear camera is expected to support up to 8K resolution at 30 frames per second. On the software front, the Galaxy S25 Edge will run on the latest Android 15 operating system, layered with Samsung's newest One UI 7 interface. A significant addition is the inclusion of several Galaxy AI features designed to enhance various aspects of the user experience, including intelligent image editing tools and potentially other smart functionalities. Connectivity options are expected to be comprehensive, including Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, and a USB Type-C port. Other likely features include an in-display ultrasonic fingerprint sensor for secure biometric authentication and stereo speakers for an immersive audio experience. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.